Welcome to Korean Grade 7 Math. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to find the least common multiple using prime factorization. Here's a question. What is the least common multiple of 24 and 36? You might know the answer is 72, but here's the real question. Why is it 72? Let's build the idea step by step. First, multiples, then common multiples, and finally the least common multiple. Let's write both numbers using prime factorization. 24 is 2 to the third power times 3. 36 is 2 squared times 3 squared. Now, think about multiples. A multiple must include all the prime factors of the number. For 24, we need 3 2's and 1 3. For 36, we need 2 2's and 2 3's. Now we want the number that is a multiple of both. That means it must include everything from both numbers. Let's compare each prime factor. For 2, 24 has 3 and 36 has 2. To include both, we need 3 2's. For 3, 24 has 1 and 36 has 2, so we need 2 3's. To make the least common multiple, we take the maximum exponent for each prime factor. So we get 2 to the third power times 3 squared. That gives us 72. Now, we can see the pattern. For each prime factor, we choose the largest exponent, because the number must include all factors from both numbers. Today, we learned how to find the least common multiple using prime factorization. In the next lesson, we'll solve several problems to review what we've learned and go a bit deeper. This is Future Math Lab. See you in the next lesson.